Fantastic. I mean, so far, I think based on what we have seen and Asmi has explained as well, I mean, a couple of things that we noted really, I mean, she didn't have any background as such on this AI field. Now at least she can, think independently and she learned those basic concepts.
Overall, I think it was good. I think the goal was for him to understand AI, and I think the application part of it's great. Yeah, I think overall it's good.
Well, she started good. There were no issues in connections or all those things. The mentor program was good. They were connecting every day and then discussing.
No, I think, like I said, it's a fantastic opportunity, for the young kids. They get to use the summer hours, be very productive. Also, it helps them.
But yeah, I think I like how you are explaining how they are explaining in each and every detail.
He didn't have that exposure before joining this course, but this course has taught him to program that and call that, and then also build an app from front end to back end, right?